Lose belly fat in 7 days with coffee and lemon drink. What if your morning coffee could melt stubborn belly fat instead of just waking you up? Sounds insane, right? But thousands swear this simple coffee and lemon mix gave them visible results in just 7 days. The craziest part? You already have everything you need sitting in your kitchen right now. This isn't some celebrity detox or magic potion. It's a science-backed blend that can ignite your metabolism, shrink bloating, and trigger real fat loss when used the right way. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make it, why it works, and how to use it safely for fast results. But first, a quick reality check. You can eat clean, work out daily, and still have that annoying lower belly bulge that just won't go away. That's not your fault. It's your metabolism slowing down and your hormones holding on to fat. But what if the secret isn't another workout? It's how you start your morning. Most people spend months counting calories, but miss this 30-second fix that flips their metabolism back on. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your first cup of coffee into a fat-burning weapon. Quick guess, which one burns more fat? Coffee or lemon? You'll be shocked by the real answer. We'll find out in a moment. So if you love simple, science-based wellness hacks, hit subscribe and join our holistic wellness family, where we turn everyday habits into real results. All right, let's break this down. Step 1. Lemon. Fresh lemon juice isn't just for flavor. It's packed with vitamin C and polyphenols that kickstart digestion and enhance fat metabolism. Studies show lemon compounds can block weight gain and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Step 2. Coffee. Caffeine doesn't just wake you up. It triggers thermogenesis, heating your body to burn calories. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows caffeine can boost metabolism by up to 11%. It also contains chlorogenic acids that slow carb absorption and help your body use stored fat as fuel. Step 3. Cinnamon. Don't skip this. Cinnamon balances blood sugar, reduces cravings, and improves insulin sensitivity. It's slightly thermogenic too, helping you burn calories even at rest. So, lemon improves digestion, coffee fires up metabolism, and cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar. Together, they form a triple fat-burning combo your body actually recognizes. Now, here's how to make it. And yes, do this exactly right. Squeeze 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and set aside. Zest 1 lemon. That yellow outer layer is packed with metabolism-boosting oils. In a small pot, combine 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground coffee, 2 cups filtered water. Bring to a gentle boil and simmer for 15 minutes. Let it cool slightly, strain, and add your saved lemon juice. Optional, a touch of raw honey for flavor. Skip it if you want maximum fat burn. Now here's the step most people miss. Timing. Drink this on an empty stomach, about 30 minutes before breakfast. That's when your body absorbs the compounds best, giving you a metabolism spike that lasts for hours. If you drink it after eating, you'll kill half its fat-burning power. If you're finding this useful, hit that like button. It helps others discover natural, proven ways to transform their health. Now let's be real. No drink melts fat overnight. But combine this coffee-lemon mix with mindful eating and light movement, and you'll start noticing less bloating, more energy, a visibly flatter stomach in just 1 week. That's not a trick. That's your body resetting its metabolism and finally releasing stored fat. Think of this drink as your fat-burning spark, the trigger that reignites your body's natural balance. So remember, 1 cup every morning for 7 days. Lemon supports digestion, coffee boosts metabolism, cinnamon keeps cravings away. Simple, natural, proven, and don't miss our next video. Drink 1 cup before breakfast for 7 days and watch what happens to your belly. It uncovers the one morning habit that silently blocks fat loss and the simple fix that reactivates your metabolism fast. Go watch it now. Your first sip tomorrow could change everything.